Hi, this is EURSGD, Euro versus Singapore dollar, and today it's Sunday, 8th of June 2014, before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou, and this is a video case study for FXholic Forex Signals apps users, and we are looking at the daily time frame of the pair, and since the price is moving close to the lower Bollinger Band, we will try to see if there is an opportunity for a nice long entry. Before I start um, with my analysis, let me tell you that I'm using here Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. So on the daily time frame, rule of thumb is to look for short trades on the upper Bollinger Band, short trades. We are looking for sell signals on the upper Bollinger Band and buy signals, long trades on the lower Bollinger Band. But it is important to get multiple confirmations before we enter. So since price is moving at the lower Bollinger Band on the daily time frame, before we look for all our entry criterion, let's go to the weekly time frame and see the bigger picture. We see that on the weekly time frame, of course, the biases are bullish. There is a very strong uptrend here, and it looks like the pair made a deep correction for many weeks, and it is now trying to reverse and continue its uptrend, and stochastics confirm because they are angled upwards, but they haven't crossed above 20 level line yet. So going to the daily time frame, we see that we had this spinning top candlestick with this 1 kilometer tail, very long tail or spike, if you want to call it so, and it is indicative of a bullish reversal, but it was followed by a bearish candlestick, and it looks like the pair couldn't fight against the downward pressure, but and stochastics at the same time, although they were going up, they got angled downwards. So although the leading Kumo is horizontal and it's not very thick, it's relatively thin, it is risky to make any trading decisions of entering long as the things are right now, because although we had a bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross with the previous candlestick, the last candlestick is marginally bearish, and it's marginally ready to reverse the situation. And remember that the price is moving in a contraction phase of the Bollinger Bands, so we expect an expansion, and it is risky if we move fast and enter long now. It is risky that we may be trapped in a bearish breakout. So let's go to the smaller time frames to see if we can actually get a better feeling of market's intentions. On the H4 time frame, if we follow my 4 time frames Ichimoku strategy rules, we had the fresh bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross on the daily. We expected a bullish Kumo breakout on the H4. The bullish Kumo breakout failed here. So if we want to wait for a long entry, of course the market goes wherever it wants, but if we want to wait for a long entry, we should see a strong bullish, a successful bullish Kumo breakout on H4, validated by Span, which is the green line, and it goes below the past price action now and below the Kumo. We want it above past price action and above the Kumo too. So the bullish Kumo breakout should happen at a price level of 1.7145 and above, 71.50. Okay, that's the price level where we should expect a strong bullish Kumo breakout on H4. And if that happens, then we should see everything bullish on H1, which is not the case now. And if we see everything bullish on H1, we can go to M30 and look for a nice entry on the following condition. We will look for a nice entry only after a deep correction. We want to see what we see here, a bearish price Tenkan-Sen cross and then a downward move, and when we see an upward move, a bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross, we can enter long from M30 and take the trade. But this is not the case yet. So we go back to daily and we wait to see how the markets will open for the new trading week, which will be their intention. And if their intention is bullish, we give the price the time it wants to take in order to show a strong bullish Kumo breakout on H4. And when this happens and is validated by Span, we go to H1, we want to see everything bullish, and we enter from M30 only after a bearish correction is completed and we have a fresh bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross. Thanks for watching and happy pips.